Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to prepare a garden. Now, a garden can be grown pretty much anywhere. You don't have to have a lot of acreage, or you don't have to have a garden plot. Even a patio or even a container can create a garden. So you just can grow pretty much anything that you want to grow. So I love to use raised beds. I find they work the best. And I like to mix and match different types of flowers that bloom at different types of the year. And the key when you're preparing your garden is to have good soil. You want to have good composted organic material. Good potting soil is also really a good choice. So you need some place to grow your garden, whether it's a container or a retaining wall or any type of a raised bed. You need good soil, good composted soil, and then you need the plants. You can concentrate on vegetables, you can have herbs, or you can have a flower garden. It really doesn't matter because it's your garden and you can grow anything that you want in it. So when you're preparing your garden, make sure that you kind of do a little bit of a diagram and figure out where you want to put your trees and your herbs, and you don't have to follow it to the T. That's the trick. Gardening's like throwing a party. You want to just mix and match all your plants, and you can always move them around later. So preparing your garden really doesn't take a lot of time. You just have to have the material. You need to have soil, some kind of system to keep your soil in, and then the plants, and then you need to water, and that's about all you need.